Alright, today we will be unboxing a couple of Jinhao inks that just arrived. At least I think they're Jinhao inks. This one is not. You see the boxes came properly smashed up. Some kind of a foam thing around them. This one, Bluish Violet. This one is Neon Yellow. Although it looks green in this bottle. Check out the label. It's like they tossed them up in the air and let them land wherever they landed. Isn't this what Ecto Cooler looked like? And then whatever this is supposed to be a generic red. Oh, there's a label. Yeah, this is a Jinhao, allegedly. Red. Oh, yeah, look at that. Jinhao, horse-drawn. I don't know if that's supposed to be a carriage or a chariot. It has one wheel, so let's call it a chariot. Anyway, that's their logo. No foam in there. If nothing else, the bottle is cute. So, let's put our red aside and look at these other two. Let's reposition the camera so you get a better idea of what I'm seeing. La-di-da. Look at that. That's pretty evident, isn't it? I don't think these bottles are short-filled. I think the bottles are larger than 30 milliliters. For comparison, here is a bottle of Diamine Celadine Cat. $30 milliliter. And in my smashed box, you can see these are supposed to be 30 milliliter bottles. They're just using bottles that are unnecessarily large. But they're cute little bottles. And once I empty them, I will use them for my own Franken inks, which I've made videos about 2 of them. Call of the Afternoon Cat, and the grass is always racing greener over the Cat Pecky, because the longer and more idiotic the name is, the better it is. I guess the label placement on the Bluish Violet is a hair better than it is on this Neon Yellow. Jeez, I keep thinking about Ecto Cooler. Anyway, that's it. 3 inks. Crushed boxes. Desktop toys.